Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn French regular ER verbs. And I have given you a complete lesson of ER conjugation verbs in our French lessons videos. You can find the link in the description below. Also, I will link it on the I button. Coming back to the video, today we are going to learn the verb donner. Donner means to give. Let's get to the conjugation. So the conjugation is je donne. I give. Tu donnes. You give. Il donne. He gives. Elle donne. She gives. Nous donnons. We give. Vous donnez. You give. Ils donnent. They give. Elles donnent. They give. Now let's see one example of the verb. I give my book to Parag. Je donne mon livre à Parag. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye.